World Teachers Day 2023. This video is about Teachers Day celebrations, which is celebrated worldwide on 5th of October every year. Today is Teachers Day, which reminds us the importance of teacher in our life. World Teachers Day is a day dedicated to honoring and appreciating teachers worldwide for their contributions to education and the development of society. These may take place globally to celebrate teachers. These can include number one, award ceremonies. Many countries and organizations present awards to outstanding teachers for their exceptional work in the field of education. Number two, teachers appreciation events. Schools, communities, and educational institutions may organize events to show gratitude to teachers, such as luncheons, dinners, or special assemblies. Number three, professional development opportunities. Some places offer professional development workshops or conferences for teachers to enhance their skills and knowledge. Number five, media campaigns. Media outlets, including television, radio, and social media, often feature stories and interviews with teachers and highlight their contributions to education. Number seven, classroom celebrations. Students and parents may surprise teachers with gifts, cards, and token of appreciation. Number 8, advocacy to teachers' rights. Teachers, organizations, and unions may use this day to raise awareness of the challenges and issues faced by educators and to advocate for better working conditions and support. Number 9, educational discussions. Schools and universities may host panel discussions, seminars, or lectures on topics related to education and teaching. The theme for World Teachers Day 2023 is the teachers we need for the education we want. The global imperative to reverse the teachers' shortage. On this event, I will congratulate all the teachers of the world from my inner corner of heart and pray for their prosperous life. And if you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Javed Khattak Pharmacy. Thanks a lot.